Hey friends, welcome back to the next video of the plane. So in the last video we have seen that the vector equation and the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through point A and perpendicular to n bar. ओके अगर आपको किसी ने भी प्लेन का इक्वेशन बोला है ना तो उनको बोलना है कि भाई ये दो पॉइंट्स मुझे दे दो, आई विल गिव यू द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ प्लेन. सो व्हाट only two information you require to get the equation of plane is what the point A, that is the passing through point, and the second parameter required is the n bar. Okay, so can you give me the equation of plane then? So it is r bar dot n bar, it is equals to a bar dot n bar. This is the vector equation, and the Cartesian equation is what? It is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, it is equals to 0. This is what the vector equation in the Cartesian form, the equation of plane in the Cartesian form. Okay, so if you have not understood these two equations, it's my request, please go through the previous video and come back to this video, because इस वीडियो में कुछ भी नहीं समझने वाला है आपको, बिकॉज ये बेस है अपना इस वीडियो का. दिस इज द बेस. Okay, very good. Now let's start the second video, that is for the equation of a plane. If suppose you have now some different scenario that there is one plane and on this you know the two vectors. Suppose this is a vector b bar and suppose this is a vector c bar, and the point through which your plane is passing is A. Okay, now this is the scenario. Now based on this given information, so what is given information is? Given information is what? The point A is known, B bar is known, and C bar is known, and all these are lying on the same plane, and I want the equation of this plane. Okay, now can you please tell me, if B bar and C bar are lying on the same plane, then can you tell me what will be the perpendicular vector? See, what I told you just now is, to get the equation of plane you require only two information. One is the point through which your line is passing, ये तो है अपने पास, this point is known, and other information you require is the perpendicular vector. But in this case they have given the B bar and C bar, we don't know the perpendicular vector. Okay, so perpendicular vector यहाँ पे किधर तो रह सकता है. Okay, this is what the perpendicular vector we require. Now can you please tell me how you will get this n bar? As B bar and C bar are lying on the same plane, yes, of course, this n bar becomes B bar cross C bar. This becomes B bar cross C bar. Don't take C bar cross B bar. It will be B bar cross C bar only. Okay, तो C bar cross B bar लोगे तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इसका डायरेक्शन ऐसा उल्टा हो जाएगा. Your answer will remain same, no problem. Okay, perfect. So this is the key concept in this equation of plane. ये तो पता है A, and the second point is also known now, which is indirectly they have given, that is B bar and C bar are lying on the plane. So if I take the cross multiplication of these two vectors, I will get the vector perpendicular to those two vectors. Okay, so can you tell me what will be the equation of a plane then? So in this case this becomes my n bar. So equation of a plane in the vector form क्या हो जाएगा भाई? ये r bar dot, instead of n bar what you will write now? I will write B bar cross C bar. It is equals to A bar will remain same, A bar dot B bar cross C bar. That's it. This is what the second equation, third equation of the plane. Okay, when the two vectors are given. Now how you will get the Cartesian equation? Wait a minute. Okay, gadbad mat karo. First of all we will solve one question so that you will get idea how to use this formula. Okay, suppose the question is like this: a plane is passing through the point A, which is nothing but -1, 2, -5, and the vector B bar and C bar are like this. So B bar is equals to 4i minus j plus 3k, 4i minus j plus 3k, and C bar is equals to I plus j minus k, I plus j minus k. This is what they have given the information, and I want to find out the equation of a plane. कैसा निकालोगे फिर? देखो भाई कंपेयर करो यहाँ पे, दिस इज व्हाट द ए पॉइंट इज गिवन, दिस इज बी and this is the C. Okay, I require two information, two parameters to get the equation of a plane. One is the point through which our plane is passing, and इन दोनों को combine करो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन ले लो तो एक परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर मिल जाएगा. So here n bar is equals to what? It is a b bar cross c bar. How you get b bar cross c bar? Determinant. Yes, perfect. I j k. B is nothing but 4 minus 1 3. C is nothing but 1 1 minus 1. So if I solve this determinant, I will be getting minus minus plus 1 minus 3 minus j in bracket, it's minus 4 minus 3, and plus k in bracket. I will be having 4 plus 1, which is equals to minus 2i, it's plus 7j, and it's of plus 5k. Okay, so 2i minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. ये क्या हो गया? This is my n bar, which is a normal vector. एक पॉइंट पता है, द पॉइंट ए इज नोन. ओके, परफेक्ट. सो आर बार डॉट एन बार इज इक्वल्स टू ए बार डॉट एन बार. ओके, सो आर बार डॉट कीप द एन बार minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k, which is equals to, it's minus I plus 2j. I am writing the position vector of this point A. Okay, so it's a minus 5k dot n bar is nothing but it's a minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. Let's solve this. So what you will get, which is nothing but minus minus plus, so 1 into 2 becomes 2, so 2 into 7 it's become 14, and it's a minus minus, so minus only, so it's a minus 25. Okay, ये आ गया मेरा 16 minus 25 becomes minus 9. Okay, so what is the final answer? This is nothing but r bar dot minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k, it is equals to minus 9. This is the required equation of a plane. That's great. Yes, so now I want to give you some further information which is you can take as a trick here. Okay, so let's take this same figure here, same figure. So let me erase everything here so that it will be easy to get this concept. So ये हो गया मेरा b bar, c bar and a. So this is my c bar, this is a b bar. Okay, let's take any one general point r here. Let's take any general point r on the plane. Suppose we have the segment AR, so it will be as a AR bar. Now tell me, this AR bar, B bar and C bar are lying on the same plane. So can I say they are coplanar vectors? They are the coplanar vectors. So coplanar vectors are what? AR bar, B bar and C bar. The coplanar vectors are the vectors which are lying on the same plane. This we have studied in the vectors. Okay, and if the vectors are coplanar, then one vector can be expressed as the linear combination of other two vectors. So lambda b bar plus mu c bar. If the vectors are coplanar vectors, then one vector can be easily expressed as the linear combination of the remaining two vectors. This was the first theorem which we have studied in the topic vector. I hope you remember this. So if I open this AR bar as R bar minus A bar, it is equals to lambda B bar plus mu C bar. And if I write this R bar is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar plus mu C bar, क्या मिल गया boss? This is what the next equation of the plane. Okay, this equation is known as the parametric equation of the plane. This is known as the parametric equation of the plane. Please make note the format. A bar plus lambda b bar plus mu c bar. This is the format of this equation. Okay, so till now we have seen the four equations of the plane. So let me write all the four equations of the plane here. So first equation is, okay, let me have the blue color, which is r bar dot n bar, which equals to a bar dot n bar. Second equation we have seen as the a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, it is equals to 0. Third equation just now we have seen a bar dot b bar cross c bar, which is equals to a bar dot, a bar dot B bar cross C bar. Okay, and just now we have seen that the R bar is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar plus mu C bar. So these are the four equations of the same plane. Okay, जस्ट सर्कमस्टांसेस अलग है. यहाँ पे इन दोनों में सेम है. द प्लेन इज पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू नॉर्मल वेक्टर. दिस इज ऑल्सो सेम, दिस इज ऑल्सो सेम. जस्ट यहाँ पे लैम्डा एंड म्यू आर द स्केलर क्वांटिटीज. ओके, so based on this, let's have one small question here. So the second question of this video is that find the equation of a plane, find the equation of a plane, find the Cartesian equation of the plane, Cartesian equation of plane R bar is equals to I minus j plus lambda into bracket I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k plus mu in bracket I minus 2j plus 3k, I minus 2j plus 3k. बस एक चीज़ याद रखो, यहाँ पे लैम्डा एंड म्यू दिया है. ऐसा कंपलसरी नहीं है कि वहाँ पे लैम्डा एंड म्यू ही रहेगा. वहाँ पे कुछ भी रह सकता है. यहाँ पे 10 रहेगा, यहाँ पे 20 रहेगा. एनीथिंग, एनी स्केलर क्वांटिटीज यू मे गेट हियर. ओके, परफेक्ट. सो we are considering the general case, which is lambda and mu. Now if I compare the given equation, which is the parametric equation of the plane, with this equation, what I will get? A bar is equals to what? It is I minus j. B bar is equals to what? It is I plus j plus k. And C bar is equals to what? It is I minus 2j plus 3k. This is what we get when I compare the given equation with the standard equation. R bar is equals to A bar plus lambda B bar plus mu C bar. Okay, and I have found the Cartesian equation of the plane. Cartesian equation मतलब क्या है? This is what the Cartesian equation. This is what the Cartesian equation is. A into x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. You know that the point A point is known. Okay, this is what the position vector of point A. So the point A coordinates, how I can write 1 comma minus 1 comma 0. Now I want the normal vectors direction ratio. How we will get the normal vector? Just do the cross multiplication of these two. N bar is equals to B bar cross C bar. Let's find out. So B bar cross C bar, it is equals to, let's have the determinant I j k, which is nothing but 1 1 1 1 minus 2 and 3. This is equals to I into bracket we have 3 plus 2 minus j in bracket I have 3 minus 1 and plus k in bracket I have minus 2 minus 1, which is equals to 5i minus 2j minus 3k. Okay, this is what the n bar is. This is what the n bar is. Then can you tell me what will be the value of a, b, c? Just to take the coefficient of I, j, k. So this is 5, a is 5, b is minus 2 and c is minus 3. This is what the direction ratio of the point a, b, c, sorry, of the normal vector. So you have two parameters. First parameter is the point through which your line is passing. So this is what the x1, y1 and z1. This is what the a, b and c. Just make use of the second formula and substitute and you will get the answer. Okay, so the equation, the required equation is nothing but a into bracket x minus x1 plus b into bracket y minus y1 plus c into bracket z minus z1, which is equals to 0. So a is nothing but 1 minus 1 0. So it is 1. X minus x1 is what? It is 5 minus 1 into y minus minus plus 2 plus z. C is, oh sorry, c is equals to, उल्टा हो गया भाई यहाँ पे. So b is what? It is a minus 2 and y minus y1 is what? Minus minus plus 1. ये भी उल्टा हो गया. अरे क्या हो गया बॉस? Okay, a is what? It is 5. X minus x1 is 1 plus b is what? It is minus 2 and y minus minus plus 1 and c is what? It is minus 3 and it is z minus 0. It is equals to 0. Perfect. So let's solve this. This is equals to 5x minus 5 minus 2y minus 2 minus 3z into 0, it is equals to 0. So 5x minus 2y minus 3z, ये minus 7 था तो इधर आके plus 7 आ गया. So this is what the equation of the required plane. So it's 5x minus 2y minus 3z, it is equals to 7. Perfect, that's it. We get the equation for the given question. Okay, so I hope you are understanding each and every point from this video. So again, and I'm telling you, if you have not seen the last video, please go through that video so that it will be easy to get the concept of this video. Okay, perfect. So only these 4 equations of the planes are very important. These are the base for this topic. Perfect. So with this we will stop here, and in the next video we will come with the again few forms of the plane. Okay, so बहुत सारे plane के equation है, but don't worry, if you are with me then you will get each and every form of the plane in detail. Okay, with examples, no doubt. Thank you so much.